5 reasons that you should quit day trading. That's right. We're not going to talk about why you should start day trading, but we're going to talk about why you should quit right now because, well, you're probably having all of these issues in this video. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. I know a lot of people want to be told about the rainbows and the butterflies and how you're going to get rich from day trading. You watch the videos on YouTube with your favorite YouTuber and his Lamborghini, his $1 million house, all the money that he's making. And you're watching these videos and you're thinking to yourself, why can't I be just like that 15-year-old kid on YouTube that's making $1 million per day? Well, first off, it's not reality. And secondly, there's 5 reasons that you're never going to make it as a day trader. 5 reasons that you're going to fail. 5 reasons that you should quit right now. Go ahead and quit day trading after you watch this video. Don't comment down below telling me that you're going to make it. Don't tell me that you're going to do it. Don't tell me that you know what to do. Don't tell me that your 15-year-old mentor told you that you're going to get rich because if you buy his course, you're going to figure it out. Nope, just go ahead and quit right now. The first reason that you should quit day trading right now is you're trying to get rich overnight. You started day trading last month and you're trying to get rich this month. You're trying to get rich quick, right? You want to get rich just like the 15-year-old kid that you've been watching on YouTube. He's making $10,000 per minute and you just want to get rich just like him. Well, go ahead and quit right now because you're not going to get rich overnight. If your only mentality when it comes to day trading is you want to get rich, well, you're just going to keep getting pulled. There's a reason that 90% of day traders fail. It's hard. Day trading is extremely difficult, even for people that are beautiful and smart and outgoing and athletic and all those things describing me. Even the people like me have hard times day trading. So if you're not any of those things that I am, well, you should go ahead and quit right now anyway, because you're just not going to do it. But honestly, day trading is very, very difficult. It's an emotional battle. It's a mental battle. It's a overall just brain battle of trying to avoid losing money while trying to risk money to make money. And that's the issue here. You have to be able to risk money to make money. If you don't have a lot of money already, it becomes a very dangerous cycle where you're just constantly trying to risk whatever $1,000 you have left in your bank account to try to make money day trading. And it's going to become very difficult and you're going to end up losing emotionally, mentally, and everything in the end because you're just trying to get rich. What you can do is avoid trying to get rich. Just try to focus on the process. Focus on learning how to day trade. Show up every day. Watch all the videos. Join the Market Flow Trader community. Whatever you want to do, there are steps that you can follow to avoid all of the issues that come with trying to get rich overnight. If you just try to settle down and learn and start actually focusing on learning how to day trade over trying to get rich. The second reason you should quit day trading right now is because you don't have a strategy. You're just constantly trying to figure out what to do, where to buy, when to sell. You're chasing the price action. You have no idea on when to enter a trade other than the fact of just trying to buy after the market already goes up. You buy at the top, you sell at the bottom, you don't make any money. If you really want to become successful as a day trader, you've got to start working towards creating your own strategy. You can follow my strategy. You can follow anyone's strategy on YouTube. But until you really take ownership of that, until you really start to find the reasons why that strategy works or why it works for you, you will not become successful. So you have to really put in the effort, put in the time to focus on your own personal strategy. Like I said, there's a lot of videos on my channel talking about my strategy, but my strategy will not work perfectly for you. You have to put in the time. You have to put in the effort. You have to understand the strategy backwards and forwards. And you need to focus on building the strategy and tweaking it and building and tweaking and building, tweaking and building to the point where you find consistency. Even if you're losing as a day trader, at least get to a point where you're losing consistently. Because once you start losing consistently, you can start to look at the data, start to look at the trades and be like, okay, look, the last 10 trades that I made, I lost money on. But why did I lose money on those last 10 trades? You got to understand that. But the only way you can do that is if you're consistently taking the same setups over and over and over. And that comes with having a strategy, my friend. So if you don't have a strategy right now, go ahead and quit day trading. You don't have $25,000, so you can't get around the pattern day trader rule. Go ahead and quit day trading right now, my friends. It's going to be extremely difficult to day trade stocks if you don't have $25,000 because of the pattern day trader rule. And I know what you're going to say. Well, don't worry. I trade with a cash account. You know, I buy my $1,000 worth of stock every day. I sell my $1,000 worth. I make the money. No. Just go ahead and quit. You're going to have too many issues, too many problems because of the pattern day trader rule. But don't worry, my friends, I do have a solution. Just like all of these issues, I have a solution once again for you, and that's futures. If you haven't already started to trade futures, if you haven't looked into trading futures, go ahead and do it. If you don't have $25,000, you can't get around the pattern day trader rule, start looking at futures, because guess what? There is no pattern day trader rule. You can trade all day basically. So if you're now losing money just between 9 o'clock and 4 o'clock, you can now lose money from 1 a.m. till 1 a.m. all night long, baby. So if you want to learn more about futures, I would highly suggest watching more videos on the channel. The big problem for a lot of new day traders is they first start trading stocks like Apple and Amazon and Google and all these, big name stocks. And these stocks, they do move, but you're not going to get a big enough move in those stocks buying $1,000 worth of Apple every day trying to make a profit off of that. If you don't have $25,000, start looking into trading futures. If you haven't already traded futures, I highly, highly suggest looking into it and spending the time to figure out, is futures the best way for you to trade the market? You can trade the S&P 500, you can trade the NASDAQ, you can trade gold, silver, oil, all these fun things through the futures market. And you can start trading futures today with a very small risk with Topstep. Topstep offers people a evaluation account. You can go through the evaluation. You can show that you're a profitable day trader. After you have your strategy, you can test your strategy in the evaluation. Once you pass the evaluation, proving that your strategy works, you then go into a funded account where you then get paid out. And you're only risking a few $100s to sign up for Topstep. So there's a link down below if you want to learn more about that and start trading futures today. You should quit day trading if the only thing you're trying to do is follow somebody on YouTube, watching when they buy and sell, or maybe you're on Twitter or StockTwits waiting for your favorite influencer to tell you when they bought, and you're trying to chase that action. You're trying to follow that person's trades. If that's your only way of entering a profitable day trade, is if you have to follow someone else into the trade, well, go ahead and quit right now, because you're going to end up failing. You're going to end up losing everything trying to follow some guy on YouTube, knowing when he buys and sells. It looks easy, right? You watch me live day trading on YouTube and you're like, I want to be like Patrick. I'm just going to copy his trades. I'm going to buy when he buys. I'm going to sell when he sells. It's just not that simple, my friends. There's a reason 90% of day traders fail. If it was as simple as following me on YouTube, watching when I buy and sell, well, that stat would be much different. It would be like, 75% of day traders make money and 25% fail. If it was as easy as going on YouTube and just following your favorite YouTuber, knowing when to buy and sell, well, it would be that simple. Everyone would be rich. The fifth reason that you should quit day trading right now, go ahead and just quit, turn the video off, stop talking about day trading, stop telling your parents that you're gonna become a millionaire day trading, just stop. The fifth reason is because you're gambling and you're risking too much money. When you first start out, if you're risking $1,000 a day, if you're losing $1,000 when you first start out per day, or even $500, there is zero reason to do that. There is no reason to risk large amounts of money when you first start day trading, right? If you've never made, $3,000 in one day, well, there's no reason to lose $1,000 in one day. Your overall risk to reward should always be 3 to 1, 2 to 1. So the idea that you're losing $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in one day as a new day trader, or even a intermediate day trader, if you've never made over $1,000 in one day profit, well, there's zero reason that you should ever lose $1,000 per day. Like, you should be walking away at a very, very important point where you get to a point where your loss is much, much larger than your biggest winner ever is. So think about it like that. If you constantly maybe make $100 or you make $200, like, every other day, whatever it is, there should be no reason that you're losing $1,000. Your maximum loss should never eclipse your maximum loss should never eclipse your biggest winner. Think about that. If you're making $100 and you're happy with making $100, well, how in the hell can you justify losing $300, $500, $1,000? If you're starting out, you can start trading the micros. Trade the micros with futures. Start trading in the Topstep combine. Take the risk off of yourself. Remove all that risk. Remove the risk that you're going to lose thousands and thousands of dollars in one day, and focus on everything we've already talked about here in this video. The strategy, the process. Day trading is hard. It's going to take work. You got to put in the effort. You can't be lazy. It's not going to get rich overnight. All of these things combine to build up that mindset that you need to be a profitable day trader. If you're constantly losing thousands and thousands of dollars, it's only going to be more and more detrimental the longer that you do that. If you continuously lose and lose and lose, you're just basically wiring your brain, programming your brain to accept failure, to accept that you're going to lose. And guess what? You're going to continue to lose. So go ahead and quit right now. Go ahead and stop day trading, because I can pretty much guarantee it that you're going to continuously keep losing. If you're losing $1,000 a day right now as a new day trader, go ahead and quit. Just stop. Please, please, please stop. You can start trading the micros. Trade very small size, 1, 2 contracts, maybe 3 contracts. Your goal should be to make $100 a day with a risk of only $50 per day. You're trying to lose, a maximum of $50 to make $100. Or you're trying to risk maybe $200, $300 max to make that $300, $400 in profit per day. There's no reason to lose thousands and thousands of dollars when you're first starting out. Trade the micros, trade small, focus on the strategy, focus on the process, my friends. If you're still watching this video and you haven't quit day trading just yet, well, you must be really, 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 really stubborn, because I just gave you 5 reasons that you're gonna fail, and you're probably doing all 5 of those things, right? You're doing everything that I told you to not do. You don't have a strategy. You're trying to follow some guy on YouTube. You're taking big losses. You think you're gonna get rich overnight, and you don't have $25,000 to get around the pattern day trader rule. 5 reasons that you're gonna fail. 5 reasons that most day traders fail, because they don't understand that they need to work on these 5 things before finding success as a day trader. You got to go to the bottom before you can get to the top, my friends. Something like that, right? You got to go down before going up. I don't know, something like that. But if you're still doing it, you're still focused on becoming a day trader, trade small, keep those losses small, focus on the process, fall in love with it, start to become a day trader. You got to live and breathe the market. Tune in 9:15 a.m. See what we're doing every day live on YouTube. Check out the Market Flow Trader community. Check out Topstep. All those things can help you get around a lot of these issues that new day traders face. If you guys want to learn more, I've got a lot of videos right here on the channel to learn all about day trading and all that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys later on.